Hey guys, welcome back to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to use this pattern. So, I decided to try out this store-bought pattern. I haven't used this in any of my sewing projects. I usually make my own sewing patterns, or I just replicate a garment that I already owned. So, just to kind of explore on the sewing pattern world, I decided to give this one a go. Got this at Joann's. They were having a sale for 1.99. So that was a good deal considering regular price of this is around $12. So just be sure if you are going to recreate this project, try to buy the patterns when they are on sale because they can be expensive, especially if you are a beginner. So this is what I'm going to be doing. And this is the front if you're interested. When I was reading the instruction, there's already a seam allowance. Seam allowance is included already on the patterns, so I'm okay with that. I also noticed is as I was laying out the pattern, excuse me, here, let me just, I noticed that the bodices are a bit long. See, it is very long. It is almost like a t-shirt length to me. So it actually said here that you can lengthen or shorten here. So I am going to shorten it by about that much. And same here. As you can see, I just folded it like so. I also laid out my fabric. I'm super excited that I'm going to be able to use this fabric, and I'm happy that I have plenty, as you can see here. Okay guys, it's day 2 and I cut out all the pieces that I needed. I didn't trim it just because I can trim it off later on, because right now on the picture it is a little short for my liking. So I'm just going to trim that off later on. So this is for the sash. I'll put that aside. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, just like it says here on the pattern. And now I am going to transfer the darts. There you go. So I transferred the darts, and that's what it should look like. Now it's time to sew the darts. Now it's time to join the shoulder seams. I press the seams open. So that is that. So the bodice is looking like this. Now it's time to work on the neck facing. Here I am cutting out fusible interfacing. I'm using an iron-on fusible interfacing. Be sure that the adhesive is sitting on the wrong side of the fabrics. Okay, so now I'm just going to sew it here. Okay, so after I sew that, I also press the seams open so it looks like that. So that is the neckline, and I'm just going to pin it like this. Okay, so why is it this is shorter? just follow the direction. Okay, so this is shorter for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just trusting this pattern, okay? Yeah, but it just makes me nervous though. So I press this and I search the raw edges. Now it's time to sew it. I'll press it and maybe it'll be a lot better. So let's go ahead and press that. Okay, on the instruction it didn't say to cut notches along the curve here, but I think it is important because it was wrinkling and it was very messy. So I am going to cut some small notches along the curve. Now it's a lot better. Yeah, now it is a lot better. So don't forget to cut some small notches. And I'm just going to do this. And I'm going to tack it. Tack it and sewing it right here. See, it's a lot better. It lays flatter now than it was before. So this is the first part of this tutorial, and I am going to show you how to work on the bottom part of the dress in a separate video because it seems like it's going to be a long video already. So let's just do that.